Good morning, everyone. Today is the 14th of December, and I'm Shuchi Runta presenting the morning market update. The Nifty gained 110 points to close at 18,608 yesterday. A bullish intraday session where the markets kept moving higher throughout the day, closing near the highs. The market breadth was favorable. It was the banking sector, especially the PSU banks again, which touched higher highs and showed strength. The IT index after the fall also showed some recovery in yesterday's session, gaining around 1%. Technically speaking, 18,400 on Nifty has been decisively protected. The index has closed above the previous high and made a higher low after 8 consecutive down sessions, showing the price reversal. On the option chain, open interest wind up on call side was seen yesterday and put writing on 18,500 and 600 strikes. The PCR has moved above 1 to 1.05, indicating bullishness. Bank Nifty continues to soar higher near the 44,000 mark now. The PCR has gone up to 1.41 levels. We don't see any toppish signs on the charts, but based on the Fibonacci studies, 44,030 is an important resistance level, post which the index can gradually test 44,500 levels. The mid-cap index, the infra sector, looks strong along with banks, metals, and the capital goods. Coming to the world markets, the US inflation data was released yesterday, which was much better than the consensus. The year-on-year CPI was 7.1% versus 7.3% expected. Based on this, all the major indices opened around 3% up but gave away most of its gain. All major US indices witnessed a selling from its opening highs as the sentiments wait for the final Fed announcements. The FIIs were bullish yesterday both in the option, futures, and the cash markets. India VIX interestingly dips further, now trading below 13. SGX Nifty currently is 100 points up, indicating a higher opening. To conclude, the Indian markets continue to outperform the world and have seemed to complete its short-term pullback and is looking to test the previous highs and higher. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 18,510 and 18,425. Resistance 18,670 and 18,780. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 43,750 and 43,400. Resistance 44,030 and 44,200. Thank you.